Facebook user who has been using Gmail as primary email can make use of login with Google option in case if they forgot their password. User can log in into their Facebook account without changing the password if they validate their Google account with Google login. If user have Google account logged into their browser, then user will be redirected to Facebook directly. This will help those users who forget their password regularly and tried of resetting password. This option is only available when user enters the wrong password while logging into the Facebook. If user clicks forgot password, then user will be redirected to the password reset page.